Dear students, today I am going to teach history part, first chapter Vijayanagara Empire. Harihara was the founder of Vijayanagara Empire. He belonged to Sangama dynasty. Harihara and Bukkaraya are brothers. They were established Vijayanagara Empire in 1336 AD. Then Hampi was their capital city. Hampi was is in Ballari district. Hampi is in Ballari district. They made Hampi as their capital city. Vijayanagara Empire was famous and most popular in our history of India. The famous kings of Vijayanagara Empire are Harihara, Bukkaraya, Kampana, Marappa and Modappa are the famous kings of Vijayanagara Empire. They made Varaha as their national emblem. They made Varaha as their national emblem. The four dynasties, famous dynasties ruled Vijayanagara Empire. They are Sangama dynasty, Saluva dynasty, Tuluva dynasty and Aravido dynasty. These are the four dynasties. Sangama, Saluva, Tuluva and Aravido are the four dynasties ruled Vijayanagara Empire. Dear students, now we will discuss about Sangama dynasty. Harihara and Bukkaraya, they belong to Sangama dynasty. Harihara was the first king of Sangama dynasty. Therefore, he is called founder of Vijayanagara Empire. Now, we shall see what are the achievements of what are the achievements of Harihara? What are the achievements of Harihara? Harihara was a great king, one of the great king of Vijayanagara Empire. He controlled over Tungabhadra region and he attacked on many neighboring kings, defeated them and expanded his Vijayanagara Empire in south part of India. Harihara attacked on Konkan region in the western coastal region and Nellore and Kadapa in the eastern region. And all these captured regions he was joined to Vijayanagara Empire and he expanded Vijayanagara Empire. Therefore, he was very famous king in the Sangama dynasty. After the death of Harihara, his brother came to power. His brother Bukkaraya was came to power. Why? Because Harihara had no sons. Therefore, his brother came to power. Bukkaraya was continued administration of Vijayanagara. During the administrative time of Bukkaraya, his son Kampana, he attacked on sultans of Madurai and captured many regions from sultans of Madurai. This victory was written in a book. That book name is Madura Vijayam. The book name is Madura Vijayam. That was about the victory of Kampana, written by Kampana's queen. Her name Ganga Devi. Madura Vijayam book written by Ganga Devi. She was the queen of Kampana. She wrote about the victory of Kampana in this book. That book name is Madura Vijayam. Then after Kampana, Bukkaraya again attacked on many regions. He was also continued his seizing over many neighboring regions. He attacked on Madurai and later another region was also captured by him. Sultans of Madurai also, and again he attacked on them and captured some other regions from sultans of Madurai. Then Bukkaraya captured Penukonda from the Reddis of Kondavedu. Bukkaraya again he started his campaign over Kondavedu and captured Penukonda and joined these regions to the Vijayanagara Empire. These are the great achievements of the kings of Vijayanagara. After the death of Kampana, another one king came to power, Devaraya II. He is also called as after Kampana, Devaraya came to power. Devaraya II is also called as Prouda Devaraya. His period was most significant period in the history of Vijayanagara dynasty. He built a new army the new army soldiers, he gave special training to them. He built a new army, Devaraya II. He built new army and gave special training to the soldiers. And with his strong army, he attacked on many regions. Kondavedu and Penukonda was captured. Then he attacked on Mudgol fort, captured it. Then also he attacked on Raichur and captured Penukonda and Bankapur. With his strong army, he captured many regions, which are the Mudgol fort, Penukonda from Reddys of Kondavedu, then Raichur and also Bankapur, also captured by with his strong army. Devaraya II had a strong military leader. His name Lakkanna Dandesha. Lakkanna Dandesha was the army commander of Devaraya II. With this great leader Lakkanna Dandesha, he attacked on Sri Lanka and Kerala and captured many regions from Sri Lanka and Kerala regions. And Lakkanna Dandesha collected many money from these kings of Sri Lanka and Kerala. Prouda Devaraya had a great religious tolerance. He built many temples and mosques and Jain basadis and Vaishnava temples are built by him.